EMI license UAE comparison across DIFC ADGM CBUAE regimes. EMI license UAE planning starts with regulatory perimeter analysis, because DIFC, ADGM and CBUAE use different authorization routes for wallets, stored value, payment accounts and money transmission. Therefore, founders should not choose a jurisdiction by brand value alone. The right route depends on funds flow, customer location, client type and regulated activity. Aston VIP approaches this as a licensing strategy, not a company formation exercise. Why the route matters in practice: a wallet platform, payment facilitator and remittance provider may need different permissions. For example, a DIFC entity may require DFSA permissions before offering a DIFC payment services license. However, wider UAE retail activity may trigger central bank analysis. The official UAE financial institution licensing process remains central for many onshore models. By contrast, ADGM often suits structured fintech groups, Abu Dhabi platforms and holding structures. However, the FSRA still assesses controllers, approved persons and systems. A UK or EU founder should avoid assuming the UAE mirrors the FCA or EBA model. The UAE has its own regulatory logic. Where Aston VIP starts, Aston VIP begins with product mapping before entity setup. We review the payment journey, wallet terms, client money treatment, settlement model and counterparties. In addition, we check whether the structure needs DIFC, ADGM or CBUAE engagement. Our DIFC EMI license work often starts before incorporation. This means the EMI license UAE strategy links legal permissions with banking readiness. ADCB, Emirates NBD Mashreq, FAB and Standard Chartered UAE assess fintech risk closely. Therefore, bank packs must explain transaction flows, AML controls and source of wealth clearly. A good application anticipates regulator questions and bank objections together. What this guide covers: this guide compares CBUAE, DIFC and ADGM routes for electronic money and payments. It also explains capital, safeguarding, market access and verification of licensed firms. More importantly, it shows where licensing choices affect tax, governance and investor diligence. The next sections build the decision framework step by step. EMI license UAE regulatory routes: the UAE does not operate one single EMI regime. Instead, DIFC, ADGM and the wider UAE apply separate frameworks. Therefore, a payment services